Looking for the only Bottleneck calculator with real ray tracing and DLSS simulation for gaming? Most tools just show numbers, leaving you unsure about your actual performance. This calculator shows exactly how your CPU and GPU handle modern, graphics-intensive games. Compare FPS with ray tracing on versus off, see how DLSS shifts workload between CPU and GPU, and discover your system's true performance limits. Perfect for 8AA gamers, streamers, or anyone building a high-end gaming PC, it ensures smooth gameplay and high FPS. Easy to use and beginner-friendly, this tool gives precise, personalized results, no more guessing or relying on generic benchmarks. Key features: real-time ray tracing and DLSS simulation CPU versus GPU FPS comparison. Accurate bottleneck percentage display, smart upgrade guidance. Don't let hidden bottlenecks slow you down. Try the only bottleneck calculator today, see real FPS differences, and optimize your gaming rig like a pro. Check your system now.